Hi guys, I am back with another video, and today's video would be about my experience here. I would be sharing my journey working in office and out office, staying at home, working from home, because as we all know that we have been working from home from past 6 months, and so was I. So I would be sharing that also. I've also done a similar video. It was an internship for about 4 months. You guys can go and click on that iCard to see that video if you feel like. And so yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's start with my work chronology. I want to make this clear because I get a lot of questions about this, and it would be great if you guys have a background of it. I did my 12th standard with PCBM. I had a very strong mind of going into medical, and somehow I dropped an year for that. So after my 12th standard, I went to Amity for my undergraduation. I gave entrance exam. We had a creative test and an interview जिसमें they had a few questions. एंड सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन था कि मैंने एक साल ड्रॉप क्यों किया. So when I was in undergraduation, in second year in summer break, I did this internship with an event management company. They also worked in residential and commercial projects. So I did it for 2 months. Was it paid? No, because it was for 2 months, and I was not ready for asking an amount because I had no clue about AutoCAD at that time, and I was still in the phase of learning it. So I learned a lot in that office. After that, from third year, I had a good knowledge about AutoCAD and stuff, so I started freelancing. In the last semester, we had to do 6-month internship, which I did with this furniture firm in Noida. So I've bifurcated my working experience into 2 sections. First would be when I was working in-house, like I was going every day, and then I would be sharing the lockdown experience because that was fun. Let's start with the in-house. A lot of you guys ask me कि आपका कैसे हुआ, आपको कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट मिली थी या फिर आपने खुद अप्लाई किया था. So one of my friends recommended me this. She was my senior in my college, and I sent my portfolio and everything, and I got selected. When I went there, तब तक तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे सब आता है. पर मैं जब वहाँ गई and I used to work, it was a whole different thing. I learned a lot in this past 1 year. So it was a great experience. If you ask me that should you work after college or should you like start your own business, I would say जब आप अपने लिए काम करते हो तो there's nobody to check on you. You are the only person who is making the drawings, you're taking care of the vendors and everything. But when you work under somebody, you learn a lot about technical drawings. You learn a lot about how things should be presented to your clients or to your seniors or anybody. So you learn a lot about that, and I would recommend everybody to work at least for it because that's important. So a lot of you guys must be curious what was my role as an interior designer. So I was working on technical drawings mainly. Sometimes we used to work on 3D just for our own understanding, but we were basically working on the technical drawings and materials with the design team. And sometimes it was very irritating to work on one thing again and again, but I guess that helped me a lot on the fact that you start recognizing mistakes in your own drawings. It took me pretty much 6 months to get to a point where I started seeing mistakes in my own drawings. मतलब जब तक आप ये नहीं सोचते हो कि ये drawing जब site पे जा रही है तो वो वहाँ पे कैसे बन रही है, अगर वो चीज़ आपको समझ आने लग जाए तो it's like a great step for your design thinking process. Because until unless you think in a manner, आप कुछ भी बना रहे हो, ठीक है, आप कुछ भी बना रहे हो, बट वो साइट पे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो पा रहा है, मतलब उसकी डिटेल जो है वो साइट पे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो पा रही है, सो इट्स ऑफ नो यूज. So that was one of the major learnings of mine. There was a little bit interaction with vendors and stuff. There was not much of it. Okay, so next would be the lockdown experience. Working from home was so different. Like although I have always worked from home as a freelancer, but once I had worked with people around me in office, it was a bit different. बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को 2 घंटे ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था अपने घर से टू रीच ऑफिस. सो दैट वाज अ गुड पार्ट. इट वाज डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी पे चेक ऑन योर ईमेल्स एंड स्टफ. इन ऑल माय एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग एज there was a point, there were 3 phases, I guess. There was a point when I was very scared of everything. I was in a phase where I felt that I had no idea what everybody else was doing there. But then there was a point when I had started getting in hold of it कि क्या हो रहा है ऑफिस में exactly, किस तरीके से काम होता है, किस तरीके से drawings construct हो रही हैं, because every office has a different way of doing it. Obviously there is a standard way of doing it, but then हर office का एक अपना design style होता है, एक intent होता है, तो उसको grab करने में मुझे time लगा. But हाँ, I did it and it was fun. To summarize it in one sentence, I would say I have learned a lot. So as usual guys, I would be taking up few questions that I had already asked you guys yesterday from my Instagram post, and I would be answering them one by one. So let's start with somebody asked me your first feeling, and what was my first feeling? My first feeling was that I won't be able to do anything. I was anxious. I had no idea what I would be doing in such a big firm and with such big projects. The day I gave my interview, I got my offer letter. It's a huge opportunity. It's a huge opportunity. Working in a firm which is recognized and has a good portfolio is a big deal. So my first feeling was I was damn scared. I was scared to hell. Okay, so the next question is, where do you find jobs for interior design? So there are a lot of platforms. You can go to Naukri.com and you can go to Shinein.com, and there are a lot of such platforms where you can find jobs. But I would recommend of joining this group Facebook and join this group called The Switch. I would be sharing a screenshot over here. There are a lot of interior designers in architectural firms, जो मतलब genuine architectural firms हैं, और वो अपनी vacancies वहाँ पे put करती हैं. तो you can go and look for that. And इस समय बहुत ज़्यादा job vacancies हैं, तो if you're looking for that, you can go and subscribe to that group and you might get a job from there. Okay, so this is one of the questions that one of my juniors and one of you guys have asked. Can you do interior design without college? Or there's somebody who asked, I would like to be an interior designer, but can I be one when I'm self-taught? So you can be one. I don't think that in India till now it's not a norm where you have to have a license to become an interior designer, but it would be good if you have a proper education. Why? Because यार कोई भी काम करने की एक टेक्निकल अप्रोच होती है, एक एथिकल अप्रोच होती है, और it would be very different when you learn it, or would be a structural way. So you would be stepping one step at a time, and not you wouldn't be confusing two steps at a time. So I won't say कि आप नहीं बन सकते एक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, और या फिर किसी भी क्रिएटिव फील्ड में. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a self-taught graphic designer. I have a lot of friends who are that, but would I recommend that? No. I would say कि अगर you can't go for some reason you don't want to go for bachelor's degree, go for a diploma. You would be learning about interior design in a more structural way. You would be learning about the technical drawings, you would be learning about the anthros, you would be learning about materials, how to talk to vendors, how to do if you want to start your own practice, how to do that. I won't recommend doing it, but it's no harm in doing that. Somebody asked, should I join a small scale firm with a small scale projects or bigger firm with large scale projects? This is a very good question. And small scale जो firms होती हैं यार, वो छोटे projects पे काम करती हैं. बहुत सारी छोटी firms हैं जो बड़े projects पे भी काम करती हैं. But जब आप एक छोटी firm में काम करते हो तो आपकी responsibilities थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती हैं. The scale of learning there is more, instead working in a firm where your role is limited. Let's say an example, one of my friends is working in a small scale firm, but वहाँ पे she's handling vendors, she's handling site, she's handling drawings, she's handling 3D views, she's doing everything. So whenever she wants to start her own firm, she would already know a lot about it. But because of this, should you not work in a bigger firm? You should definitely do that. Because I did work in a firm where my role was very limited, but how a bigger project is handled, how do you bifurcate the roles and responsibilities to each one when it's a large scale project. So it's very important to work in both types of firms. दोनों तरह की firms में job करके देखो, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So this question is not related to this video, but it somewhat is. So somebody asked, how does Amity placement work and how did you get the jobs? One of my seniors posted this vacancy, and I pushed my portfolio forward, and I went for an interview, I got selected, and this is how I got the job. Now the part where Amity comes, does Amity give placements? Surely it does. Throughout the year, they send they pitch your portfolio to a lot of firms, a lot of good firms. At my time, I was not very fond of the firms that they were picking, and frankly speaking, I was not in the mood of working under somebody. And I wanted to take placement from college, but it was my conscious decision of not taking it because I was planning to work as a freelancer for some time. But yes, Amity does give placement. I have a lot of friends who have been working for a year or more than a year now, and they got jobs because of Amity placement. So does Amity give placements? Yes, it does. That's it for today's video, guys. Questions that came in, but they were not related to this video, so I would be answering them in next of my few videos. And I hope you guys are safe. I hope everybody is safe. Try to, if you can, stay at home, be safe. All the best if you guys are starting your own firms, or you guys are opting for undergrad or postgrad. If you have any queries, do tell me in the comment section down below or DM me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.